Today we're taking a look at the Mamba reverse crossbow, a powerful and tactical weapon that's perfect for any hunting or target shooting enthusiast.
The Mamba boasts a compact design and a lightning-fast 400 feet per second firing rate, making it an ideal choice for quick and accurate shots in tight spaces. Its precision scope and adjustable stock ensure a comfortable and accurate shooting experience. At a price point of $599, the Mamba is a great value for its performance and tactical features.
So if you're looking for a high-quality crossbow that won't break the bank, the Mamba reverse crossbow is definitely worth considering. Continuing our review, Adarini crossbow, a unique pistol crossbow that packs a punch.
The authors saw a wooden model and recreated it with 3D printing technology. The Adarini features a compact design and a powerful draw weight of up to 80 pounds, making it perfect for both hunting and target shooting. However, it's important to note that printing a crossbow may be illegal in some areas, so be sure to check your local laws before attempting to print one.
Next up is the evolution of the slingshot, the pocket shot arrow kit.
The manufacturer touts it as a new and improved version of the classic slingshot. The pocket shot boasts a compact design and can launch both arrows and slingshot ammo at speeds up to 350 feet per second. This innovative slingshot is made from high-strength polymer and has a unique circular design that can shoot both arrows and balls.
It comes with 2 different arrow attachments and a wrist brace for added stability.
However, it's important to note that slingshots are illegal in some countries, so be sure to check your local laws before purchasing the pocket shot arrow kit. Get ready for a powerful pneumatic rifle from Spanish company Gamma. They offer to upgrade your arsenal with the TC-35 and TC-45 rifles. Interestingly, these rifles actually originate from South Korea, as the Spanish company has partnered with a South Korean manufacturer and is essentially selling their rifles under their own brand. The rifles come in calibers of 9 and 11 mm and 43 mm respectively, making them suitable for not only recreational and training shooting but also hunting wild boars. Both rifles weigh 4 kilograms and cost $1,050, while the Korean version is slightly pricier at $1,200. Introducing the highly debated torsion crossbow, a revolutionary weapon with microlimbs instead of traditional shoulders. Is it really a crossbow? That's the question sparking heated discussions on forums and in YouTube comments. The patented design boasts impressive specs: a weight of 4.5 kilograms, arrow velocity of 112 meters per second, and a slim width of just 10 centimeters.
Its slogan promises to enhance hunting, not just gear. But is the $2,495 price tag worth it? Watch the video to find out. The shotgun hunting slingshot rifle is a slingshot shotgun that requires knowledge of mechanics and is intended for experienced shooters. It shoots 4 to 6 mm steel balls using 3 barrel rods and can hold 10 to 20 balls at once. For the boldest, it can also fire single 18 mm balls, and carbon arrows weighing 300 to 400 grams are also available. This impressive weapon comes with a surprising price tag of $488. Continuing our review is the Hunting Slingshot Rifle Flymars 2025. This is a high-quality slingshot rifle that offers accuracy and power for serious hunters. The Flymars 2025 features a durable aluminum alloy construction with a comfortable grip and a powerful rubber band for enhanced shooting performance. It can shoot 8mm steel balls and arrows up to 40 meters with ease. The Flymars 2025 also features a foldable design for easy carrying and storage. With a price tag of $129, this reliable slingshot rifle is an excellent choice for anyone looking for quality hunting equipment. The RSX-8 Sniper is a slingshot model also known as RX-8 that claims to be a sniper due to its impressive range of over 100 meters with precise accuracy within 50 meters. It features a Picatinny rail for attaching optics, but they must be purchased separately. Weighing in at a solid 5 kilograms, it comes in 3 separate packages. The RX-8's price point is $207, making it an affordable option for those looking for a sniper-like slingshot. However, it is important to check the legality of purchasing such a device in your country. One good turn deserves another, right? How about one good shot? Well, the innovators at Umarex Airguns have been working hard on adding to the line of air archery rifles and have one-upped an already amazing product. Behold, the Umarex Airsaber Elite X2. A double air tube rifle that gives you side-by-side arrows for a second shot in as little as 2 seconds. This airgun is suitable for hunting game of all sizes, from deer to bears. The Airsaber Elite X2 is lightweight and easy to handle, making it a great option for both seasoned hunters and beginners. Its compressed air power source ensures consistent and reliable performance, while its quiet operation allows for stealthy hunting. Here's a video from a team that tests and evaluates various products for active leisure. They've tested a masterpiece that can shoot both a hook and 100 paintballs. The trick lies in a system similar to Canon's huge silencer, which uses gases produced when firing blanks. Canon's developers claim that with proper shooting, a soda can fly up to 96 meters. The variety of models allows shooting with golf balls, compressed t-shirts, or even a can of spray paint, practically anything. It's an ideal option for recreational shooting and impressive videos, with prices starting at $130. And to conclude our presentation, we have this DIY creation. The rifle resembles weapons from Starship Troopers and other sci-fi works. On screen, it's a Gauss gun, and its operating principle can be summed up in one sentence: the projectile is accelerated by an electromagnetic field. Interestingly, the author of this version is a pacifist, so the purpose of building it was to showcase skills and interest others in science and technology, and in principle, they succeeded, as users thanked the author for the detailed documentation shared online. If you ever start a new project on this topic, please choose a sniper rifle, they ask in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment, hit the notification bell to stay updated with new videos, and share them with your friends. Thank you.